Join me as I take on the challenge of RC cars as sort of a new person. Let's see if I can go from newbie to racing pro. This is Brooke's journey. My name is Brooke and welcome to the channel. This channel is going to be highlighting fun and thrilling moments with RC cars and possibly unboxing some new ones on the channel. This is being converted to brushless. The FTX Zorro. Oh dear. So this is meant to be brushed, but conversely, but the brush version is completely fine for beginners. Oh crap. So I definitely recommend getting the brush for any beginners, and if you want to convert it to brushless, just remember it can be a bit too powerful because the wheel lifts off. But for this converted Zorro, you definitely need throttle control, otherwise you will end up flipping it. My experience with RC cars so far has been great. So my car is obviously a Zorro FTX. It was brushed, I converted it to brushless. It is a little bit crazy, so I'd get used to brushed first before you convert it. And this brings a lot of joy. So if you're a person that likes to, have a lot of fun with cars and stuff, this is definitely the hobby for you. Make sure you comment on your own experiences and what you've had, and possibly any tips, as I am basically a new RC car driver. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, and be on the lookout for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.